Red light run by the copper. What a great example that they set for the rest of us.
States, my desire to be well-informed competes with my desire to be mentally healthy.
Red light run again.
I think I speak for a few of...
Unfortunately, with him getting hurt, we really haven't. There's no... I mean, you can't trade him now for a million reasons. But yeah, I think it would have been tough. You're right, Joe. I don't think a package is out there.
Red light run.
I don't think so.
I mean, with series like historically the Twilight Zone, absolutely, and that peaks our interest, the outer limits, and we move through into more recently.
Yeah, maybe if you cleared the snow off your back window, you wouldn't cut me off. Because Prius.
So just to contrast the two.
Seriously, don't you ever look?
Fortunately, with him getting hurt, we really haven't. There's no... I mean, you can't trade him now for a million reasons. But yeah, I think it would have been tough. You're right, Joe. I don't think a package is out there.
Red light
I
run.
don't think so.
Human offspring, but they're gonna be famous. They're gonna be the giants that you.
Oh, I thought he was gonna run it. Well, good job for not running it, I guess. Holy shit, you stopped. Good job! Let's see what you do here. Yay! Someone stopped! Have a gold star! Good job! Wow, someone stopped here! It's amazing! No, stop! Holy shit, the bus actually stops. It's amazing. Our kids are in good hands.
Absolutely. Yep. Anyway, that's that little bit of fun.
You stopped before you turned?
Written into.
Good job. No, I expected you to run that. Good job! That's a bicyclist that obeyed a stop sign. Wow!
Fortunately, with him getting hurt, we really haven't. There's no... I mean, you can't trade him now for a million reasons. But yeah, I think it would have been tough. You're right, Joe. I don't think a package is out there.
Red light run.
I don't think so.
Well, someone actually stopped. Yay! We're learning! Good job! And of course the fake Jeep Cherokee, whatever the fuck they call those things, just ran the stop sign. No, you stopped completely for a few seconds and then went. Good job! We're proud of you! Holy shit, someone that figured out that this lane is exit only and merged over right away and signaled ahead of time, and I had enough time to slow down for him. Gee, I wonder why people don't understand this concept. Because they're idiots, that's why. Oh, someone actually stopped. Good job. Even with no cars coming, you stopped. Amazing. I be the man. You are the man because you stopped at the stop sign. Ah, both of them stopped for the red light. Good job! Red light run! Or maybe not. Well, good job for not running red lights over there. Wow, people people stopped. It's amazing. No one ever stops here. Wow. There are no trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. That's really good. Very good job, everybody. That is amazing that trucks know the rules here and they're not in the left lane. Except for that guy on the going the other way, but we're gonna ignore that. Damn it! I gotta sing the song again. There are no trucks in the left lane. Good, good, good. Everyone's following the rules. Ain't it amazing how we have people that know how to read the signs? Well, this is the end of the video, and in case you haven't figured it out by now, this video is just one big joke because it's April Fool's Day and I had to do something, right? Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Tune in next time. Okay, bye!